Step one, you want to get it level this way and this way. Then you're going to set your dial. I got this one set. I go 2 rotations till 0. And that leaves me about 120 above deck. So then I'll go down slow, touch off, and then I'll take a skim cut. Old Rottler SF00E. LS heads, guy had a cam, big old cam in them, and it, valves were hitting the pistons, so some dude took a fucking grinder to the pistons and grinded a fucking slot in them. It looked like shit, some redneck ass shit, but... Two past 20 and a half.